Hi friends, today I'm going to make carrot egg fried rice for kids. These are the ingredients we will need: rice, grated carrot, 3 garlics finely chopped, 2 eggs, light soya sauce, ghee, salt as per taste, and yogurt. First, I'm going to break the eggs into the bowl. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and I'm also adding a little bit of light soya sauce. Whisk it all together finely. Once done, we can set it aside. Now we can start with our cooking. On the stove and put the flame in medium. I'm adding 2 spoons of ghee. We will just mix it for a while until the ghee melts. Once the ghee has melted, I'm adding our finely chopped garlic. Once you get a nice aroma of the garlic, we can add the grated carrot and mix it well. And now we can add the egg. Wait for a few seconds and slowly mix the egg. Okay, once we have mixed the egg, okay, now we can add the rice and mix it well. Here I'm adding a little bit of light soya sauce. If you want, you can add salt according to taste. After mixing well for a few seconds, we can turn off the stove. So in our fried rice here, we have added yogurt, egg, carrot, ghee, garlic and rice. It's full of nutritious and the pleasant fragrance of garlic and ghee will surely make your child love the fried rice. Now we can serve our carrot egg fried rice, specially made for kids. So this is how our carrot egg fried rice turned out to be. It smells really good and I'm sure your kids will love it. Please try this at home and comment below.